Is this working? Is this working? Oh, that's a big delay. Just gonna leave the Discord call. Um, hmm. Just, okay. Let me just test one more thing. Testing, 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 testing. Settings, I gotta go back into the... Oh yeah. Maybe I have to, let's hope it doesn't cancel the stream. Seems to be alright. Window capture. Okay. See. Just gonna test a couple more things before I get into the real coding part. Oh, whatever. If somebody looks at it, then they'll just say something in chat if they want to. Okay. Start. Welcome everybody that's already in here. Now push to origin on my GitHub and master branch. Here's the fun time. guess I gotta change. Okay. Yeah, that's sort of. I'm happy there's nobody watching the live stream. Uh, okay. Now I'm going to wait 1 second. Create text. BRB. guess I do something for engagement or whatever. Testing. Whatever. Alright, I'm not gonna do this at the moment. Item. Custom. Yes. New Java class.
The way that we register an item is via a deferred register. So I'm going to type this out. I'm going to explain how.
Okay. First two things. Mod items. Hi, Doc Brown. Final. Public static final. Item. Equal to bird register dot create or registries dot I'm doing alright. Is there like a big delay or anything between... I tested it myself and it was like 10 seconds. Just wanted to... comma. Age, sanity. Okay. Mod ID. Vent bus. Vent bus. Everything. The goal of this stream, and I'm probably gonna have to make like two of them over the course of a couple days, is to write out all the code from Kaupenjoe's tutorials for 1.20.1 or 1.20.x, all those versions, and put them into my GitHub so I can copy them more easily when I make a different mod. So, for example, once I get farther along in the tutorials and stuff, I'm going to do data generation, and then once I'm done this whole thing, I get copy data generation over to my magic mod that I'm making, so I won't have to retype it. I would just have to copy it over. What was it? Dot register event bus. It may sound smart. I may seem a little smart. I am absolutely not smart. Don't think I'm smart. Main reason I'm doing this is because I'm not smart enough, or I'm not smart enough to be able to retype all this stuff quickly. So I'm literally watching the tutorials right now. I just have the audio off for copyright reasons. Items register modify bus. Okay. Mod items dot register mod event bus. Okay. No. Oh darn, I don't got resources. Thing is, I know that as soon as I'm done the items, it's gonna be easier to do the blocks, and then I'm gonna be able to do the I'm gonna do as much as I can tonight, and then tomorrow night I might do an actual development stream on my magic mod, and then night after that I might do the rest of this. public static final registry object of type item. All right. Ex underscore item. Maybe I just scrap example item and then equal items dot register X item X item new item new dot item dot properties oh, that one? Uh, Unhuman powers and their impacts would be more of, there would be some sort of ritual or act you could perform to, turn yourself into a vampire or Wendigo, for example. Thing is, like, you would get buffs, like increased damage or move speed or lower visibility or whatever, but they would have it would be realistic. It would be realistic with their downsides, like, or the downsides would actually be something. It would actually be like a choice to be a vampire or not, and players wouldn't really like vampires because having one around would having one around doing stuff would kind of change how the uh, it would like affect the players negatively in some sort of way. Like, for example, instead of having a bunch of rotten flesh to feed the Wendigo down the road, or John the Wendigo down the road, it would be more like John the Wendigo the Wendigo ate your pet, and now you want to kill the Wendigo because, it ate your pet. So, basically, it allows people to turn into scary things like a Wendigo or vampire, and it makes them have downsides that makes people that aren't a Wendigo or vampire not like them. Yeah, John the Wendigo. Yeah. Okay, now I got. Something's wrong. Okay. Something is wrong here. No. What if I... And then, oh, there was a comma there. And then, look at that. So technically this makes it so there's an item called X item, or not really called X, there's an item that exists. I realize that this cannot be caps. EX item. I cut this out. Use the... This right here is a comment. It's a coding comment. It allows me to, you know, basically if I were to come back and look at this after, I don't know, 45 years, and I completely forgot how to code, or I would mostly forgot how Java works and stuff, this would just tell me, hey, this right here is what you need to make an item, so change the names and stuff for each item, and there. And that would be the items. No, it's just... If I still know you in 45 years, I might keep making Minecraft mods just for the funnies. Come on. Code faster. I probably won't be coding in 45 years. I'm going to quickly get myself a orange crush. I'll be back in like 20 seconds. wonder. Wait a second. Ah, I've had 4? I've had 2 concurrent viewers at one point. That's alright, I guess. And I am back. So, what Mr. Kaupenjoe is saying in the tutorial is that I should probably put that in a the item in the creative mode tab. And yes, I'm going to do that. So, if, or if, vent dot get tab key equals creative mode tabs dot ingredients // put items here. Feel free to ask more questions about the other stuff in MYM mod suggestions. I'm happy to answer that stuff because I like talking about it. I don't know if that's a autistic or ADHD thing. I probably have both, but I like talking about things that I work on. So if you have any questions about potion effects or whatever, I'm down to answer. Um, hmm. Okay, put items here. What? My brain dumb. Event.accept mod items dot sapphire. So enter event dot accept mod items dot example item. So this right here, this little code snippet, I can barely understand it myself without context, so I'm just going to explain it. This right here basically puts the item in a creative mode tab, like ingredients or stuff. Ah, so that brings up two things. One, how I how I'm going to implement body augmentation, and two, the fact that this mod is not just going to be for the server. I plan on making two versions of the mod. One that I'm gonna one that's like gonna be a lot smaller and for the server, so like it's essentially just gonna be potion brewing, and then once I'm done making that, I'm gonna copy the mod over to another branch on my GitHub, and then code all the stuff I want to code into it, and without having to abide by rules, because that mod won't be on the server. And the way I would do body augmentation. Okay, what do you mean by go about making it? Like, do you mean like coding wise? Because I can't really give any answers to that. Or do you mean like mechanics wise? Like, how would a person get body augmentation or stuff? Sorry if my ramblings confuse you. My words seem to blur together. Mechanics wise, okay. My words are confusing me. So mechanics wise, the body augmentation mod would essentially be, first there would be one, so everybody would so essentially it would be tied to a skill level, essentially. Everybody would have the ability to give somebody a certain grade of body augmentations, like wooden stuff. So replace your arm with I don't know, a log or something. Everybody would have the ability to do that, but the more you give somebody body augmentations, the better. We would make it so that your character would unlock different body augmentations to give to people. So if you gave somebody so it would count how many body augmentations you give and how good they were, and depending on that number, you would have a level associated with you that defines which augmentations you can give people. And yeah, so there would be two people required to give somebody body augmentation: the recipient and, let's say, the surgeon. The surgeon would have all the levels and time put into body augmentation, giving people body augmentation. Yeah. So, essentially, one person can't replace their arm with steel on your own. You need to trust another person to do it correctly. So, it would kind of be multiplayer specific. I'd probably make it so you could do it to yourself in single player, but I don't know how I would do that code-wise, so I'm just going to leave it as a multiplayer specific mod for now. Oh yeah, and all the body augmentations would give the player buffs. Yeah, yeah, essentially you could just remove a person's arm. That's a great idea. That's a great idea. I'm just gonna who would I send that to? Be funny if more body Booting. Let me 1 second. Share. Copy. One second. I'm gonna check something. I keep on hearing weird noises. Just gonna take a look real quick. I don't know what those noises were, but I have a knife next to me. I I brought a knife next to me now, so it should be all good. um, let me just. I always feel okay if I hear noises and stuff. Thing is, like, it's like brushing sounds, and it's like, where would they come from? All you need is a screwdriver, and that's a hazard. I don't. No, I do have a curtain. Let me check real quick. All doors are locked. If there is something in here, it's trapped in here with me. I'm not trapped in here with it. Okay, what was the next thing I had to do in the tutorial? into directory. Asset. Let me just check something real quick and then I'll. Oh, that's how they spell it. Religious conflicts. That's, to be honest, I'm probably not going to do religious conflicts. Igneo said that he wanted to do that for, like, his, God's lore thing, and I feel like if I were to ever own a server of my own, I would make religious conflicts a thing, but at this point in time, I don't think that's in the road plan for the mod. I guess I would, if you really want to know, I was planning on making it so that essentially you would like make a shrine or something, and then you would put a name on, you would get a sign and put a name on that shrine using the sign, and then I don't know if you killed animals near, let's say for example, like if you like kept on doing certain things around that shrine, it would like, it would start building up I think it would start building up a value, and like, it would make a god, it would make like an entity or thing. Yeah, essentially, imagine gods, but the players make them out of donations, or the players like make the gods themselves via prayer and stuff and sacrificing things to it in its name. So like they will it into existence, you know? And then I guess it would like, I honestly don't know. I guess depending on the things that they did nearby the shrine, like let's say they fought other players nearby the shrine, then it would probably interpret that as them wanting a combat god or something, so it would make them better with combat or something. I don't really know exactly how I would go about setting ideas for how it would detect stuff. I feel like I wouldn't need to have an AI. I would just get a bunch of. You're able to the way I would do it that wasn't with AI, because putting like a superpower, putting like an AI to detect that type of thing would be stupidly painful to code and probably make the mod super inefficient. I'd just make it so it would, if it would just get, so let's say you hit another player, technically that makes an event happen, and then you can make a code thing that detects if an event happens, and then, I don't know, it checks if there's a shrine nearby you or something. And then, if there is a shrine nearby, it would probably trigger something, and then if the shrine realized that there was a trigger, it would like add something to a value, and then over time would have a bunch of different values representing things like farming, combat, and whatever one it has the most, or like whatever like the top 3 are, I would have like a pre-coded behavior for it. So like, I don't know, it checks when you hit a player, and it would also check if it was a combat god, it would every now and then, if you hit a player, there's a chance it would give you strength or something. I don't know. Or believers instead god do like 0.25 more percent more, or like like a quarter or half a heart more damage. Keep them questions rolling. I like doing that. I like talking about the mod. Um. Spellcasting rework. Ooh, this one's a hard one. Let me think for a second. All right. It would be ritualistic, essentially. It would there would probably be all other ways to, cast spells from your player. It would like like magic wands and stuff. It would probably have like staves or something that players could cast spells from. But the main focus would be ritualistic magic. Essentially, imagine a big war between like 20 players, 10 players on each. No, imagine a big war, 19 people on one side, and one really devoted mage on the other one. Now the thing is, you'd think that the 20 people would like absolutely decimate the mage by like bows and stuff, or like. But imagine the mage has like, I don't know, 10 minutes to set up a really big shrine, and then I don't know, during the battle he just raises his arms in the air behind with the massive shrine behind him, and then a massive meteor falls out of the sky or something. Essentially, it would be ritualistic stuff that would favor people that prepare for things. It would probably also have technical mechanics, like, how it would probably also have logic and teleportation and all that stuff, but just just imagine a massive meteor falling out of the sky, or just like a miniature sun just falling out of the sky. And like, technically the mage would be caught in the crossfire, but like, depending on what type of magic the mage knows, it might just be able to teleport out of there. Okay. Time to go back to coding. I want to get some progress done. Okay. So, scroll down here, assets, new directory. I realize that I should probably get my mod ID. Like, I absolutely love. Okay, I realize that the noises are probably just that old rickety shelving kind of settling down. I absolutely love the questions. I love answering questions about things that I'm making. And just right now, I gotta work on this project. Um, Maybe sometime I'll make a question stream and everybody can get their questions out. Wang. Models. Okay. Textures. JSON xitem.json parent item item slash generated Okay. Now I get the test item. Item. Uh, okay. Now we got. Ooh, wait a second. Wait a second. Options. Let's hope that 2 seconds of Minecraft music did not get me copyrighted. Tell me when you're back. If you tell me if you're back. If you're not back, then single player, new world. Oh, I wanna. EX item. Did I get the tutorial wrong? Who knows? Build a soul. Oh wait. I spelled parent wrong. Let's hope this works. Let's test. Something is wrong. Whoa! I want to die. Did I spell parent item slash generated right here? Confused. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ingredients. Uh, Mother What is the problem here? Is it just... I probably spelt like layer or something wrong, didn't I? I understand. No. I know understand. Man, this stream is gonna be an ass to edit into a video. Parent. No. Huh. Let's see. Walks. No. Mod items. EX item. Ooh. Forget how I fixed this problem last time I ran into it. delete the item every time. Ah. Ah. Okay, I got it working. You back yet, Doc Brand? Okay, now we're going on to blocks. We've made an item. Now we're making a block that hopefully renders. Next tutorial! Okay. Made sanity. New package. Block. Block. Mod. Blocks. Hmm. Public static final. I am big brain. Okay, we're going fast now. Deferred register. Let's get mod items. Okay. Nice. We have added the item. I will show you once I've added the block, because I'm also going to add a block. I ran into a weird bug with the name of the block, or the name of the item. Apparently, it doesn't like capitals or something. I don't know. Um. Anyways. It's weird, but like, isn't very limiting. Private. Oh, yeah! I got like half of this wrong. Public static final. Oh, it's just a public static. T extends block registry object item, and then okay, so after I do item, I do space, and then register block. Is this item? String name? And then we got registry object t block. If that confused you, don't worry, it confused me too. No. What? Okay. Return mod items dot register name. Then we get a supplier. Supplier new block item block dot Java. That's what you use to code Minecraft mods. Get, comma, new item dot properties no errors. Okay. Now, private static. Oh my god. Open angle. T extends block. And then registry object type T registry object register block block check. Type T. Starting to remember this. I've watched that video like 3 times now, and I'm starting to remember the tutorial stuff. Two. Is it in caps? Nope. Or it. Turn. Huh. I don't really have a least favorite number. I guess 3 is yours. My most favorite number is 69,420. What is this? Oh, right. To return blocks dot register name comma block, and then it would be a semicolon, go down, register block item. No, it's just it's 'cause meme. I don't suggest you search it up. I made the mistake of searching up what it meant. I just like that number for the funny. It's a combination of 2 funny numbers, so it's double the funny. Surprising how I haven't got. Surprising how nobody else clicked on the video. Yeah, it seems so. Name, comma, to return, and then semicolon, enter. Return. To return. Yeah. Yeah, I know Arsenic was here for a bit. Just surprising that no. I posted a link to the stream in a couple things. You know, I could get a link. My idea. I got good idea. Oh, oopsies. Gonna copy that. And then I'm gonna go into my mod development server. just... Okay. There's a chance that more people might join the, the stream. I sent a at everybody ping in the mod development Discord server, so who knows? Somebody joins. Nice. That'll be a nice moment. Oh wait, what do I do now? So let me go to mod items. Let me just compare this with something. Item. I think I was gonna copy a bunch of code from a different file, but seems like it'd be a pain. Okay. So I got public, static, final, registry object of block. Oh, come on. Test. Joe Mama underscore block. Oh, come on. Equal register block new block lock behavior dot properties dot copy dot iron block. Just specific properties. Specific properties. For X. Oh. Example. Okay. That's that's most of the block done. Now all we gotta do for the block is I'm tired. All we gotta do for the block now is set its texture and where it is in the which tab it's in. So register blocks. Yep. Event event dot accept mod blocks dot Joe Mama block. So now technically we have the block, we're able to pick it up and stuff. Now we just gotta give it a texture and a name, or we gotta give it a we gotta give it a translated name from code. Are you still here? If you want to learn code, you kind of missed my my JSON stuff, the JSON stuff, the data stuff I was doing for translation when you were gone. So sure. Like, this is just going to be an example block for whenever I want to, like, copy stuff over. And it won't have any function other than, like, break in place and eventually drops itself. Oh, man, I am getting tired. Heat's getting to me. Whew. Here's something. A lot of people think Canada is cold, but in the summer Canada gets really hot. Like, it's like extremes with weather down here, up here in Canada. Hey, bud. Oh, by the way, I'm Canadian. Oh, nice. A fellow Canadian. New directory. New. Block. States. Directory. Block. Whew. And then so the name that's going to be defined in the code is who's Joe, and I'll just name it a furnacing table because you asked. It won't do anything, but also once I'm done all the streaming, like once I'm done this whole thing of me getting all the tutorials and stuff, once I'm done all that, I'm going to be editing the streams down into a video because content. And just wanted to know if you were okay with being in said video. Because, you're in the chat, and the chat's on the stream, and I'm going to be downloading the file of the stream, so. Yeah. Okay. Whew. Well, I'm going to update the GitHub. Oh, 1 second. I'm going to be right back. Yeah, just a sec. Okay, I'm back. Um, right. So I need to go to tutorial. Um, things might be things on OBS might be shaking around a bit for a second. There, colon colon hmm, model colon mange sanity block slash hmm, time stamp 7 minutes. Name, okay, so Okay, now I think that's shuffled around correctly. So Jason. Okay, now oh wait. Refactor. Rename. Okay. Okay. Um hmm. Yeah. Let me just take a look at the video. So it's parent. Hmm. I'm gonna. Okay, let's test this one. So it'd be parent slash, instead of item slash generated, it would be Minecraft colon block slash cube underscore all, and textures, instead of a layer 0, it would be all. Oh, and uh, and it would be block. Oh, I'm probably gonna have to add the file. Rename. Uh, uh, Minecraft block slash you texture, rename. So we put in the item thing. Okay, so now we got a texture in the block called furnishing table, and now we got oh, okay. Okay. So I go to en.us.json. Block dot mage sanity dot wait, I gotta get the name. Fern furnishing well, furnishing table. Gonna give it a little test run. I'm gonna scale this up for y'all. Ingredients. Oh. Huh. Doesn't render as an item, but does as a block. Look at this. This is your furnishing table. has the name even. I gave it a, are you talking about the item texture for holding it? Yeah, I gave it the name. Eh, Now, maybe I'm just behind in the video and I jumped ahead too fast, but watch the rest of it. Let me just. So, if we want to make the held item work, we gotta do some. We gotta do some crazy code. First, I gotta get the name. What was it? Who's Joe? So for the handheld item, go here, new, file. Who's Joe? Dot. Jason. And then, this is some crazy code right here. Absolutely massive code. It's gonna take me like a year to fill out. So first we got parent. Parent. And then I got, first we got parent, then we got a semicolon, and then mage sanity, colon, block, slash. Now that was the 45 years of coding that I just learned. I just learned 45 years of coding by doing that massive block of code. Like, look at this. Look at this absolutely massive piece of code right here. Look at this massive piece of code. It's absolutely massive. That's what she said. I'm not funny. I think I typed this correctly. Yeah. Okay. Now, hopefully, this makes the code work. Oh, look at that. I'm lagging for some reason, but I'm holding it. Heck. Yeah. Can't believe I didn't get a single error in that massive block of code. Oh, damn, I laggy. Ugh. Whew. Man. Wait a second. Wait a second. Do I have 2 concurrent viewers at this time? Do I see 2 concurrent viewers? Maybe. Takes a minute to update. Like, it says 2 concurrent viewers, so... Oh, damn, wait. Do I have BRB on? Nope, I do not have BRB on. Apparently my viewer count dropped down to 0 for a second. Well. Hello there, other presumably concurrent viewer. Welcome to the stream. I am not right in the head. Hey! Okay, back to coding. Back to doing extremely simple code, but it feels like I'm climbing a mountain because I'm dumb. What is next in the thing? Oh, I gotta go full screen, zoom out. Ooh! Okay, this one's relatively short. Custom recipes. And then we got advanced items, advanced block, fuel item, custom tooltips, custom tags. Data generation, stairs, slabs, 2D hand. There's a lot of these that are like, we're coming up on the big boy. We're coming up on the big guy. Got 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 8 more videos before we come upon the really annoying one. 8 more. 8 more. Who knows? Maybe the viewer might be a bug. It might be a bug in YouTube or something. Or they just might be. They might just not want to send messages in chat, which is fine. Whew. Here's something. I've run into a bit of a physical problem. I am extremely tired, but I shouldn't drink any orange dress or eat a candy to make myself less tired because, oh, bye bye sleep. Yeah. Well, not really a mute viewer, more just I guess that's called lurking. I don't know. Um, I'm not gonna have that by my. I'm not gonna have my bottle by my powered cord. Um. So I did custom blocks. Now we're doing custom. Next, we're gonna do custom recipes and then custom loot tables. Okay. I have unmuted my mic. Okay. I'm gonna check Discord real quick then.
such place as Wyoming. If they say it on television, it must be true. Here's our first incredible revelation.
Oh, I'd say ginger ale ain't that bad. Reason why I'm not coding right now is I'm just talking to Ignio about ideas for potion effects. Also, if you have any ideas for potion effects, there's a you can just say them in the potion ideas in MYM suggestions. I think I'm just gonna stop streaming for the day, and I'll just talk to you over Discord, because I realized the longer I leave this stream on, the more I'm gonna have to edit through it. And if I leave it on for like 3 hours because I'm talking to somebody on Discord, it's just gonna be over bloating my files, and I don't want that to happen. Yeah. Okay. Ending the stream now.